Unveiling the neuron network, a layered journey. Neural networks, inspired by the human brain structure, have revolutionized artificial intelligence. Today, we'll delve into their basic building blocks, the layers. 1. Input layer, the gateway. Imagine the input layer as your senses gathering information. It receives raw data, like pixel values for an image or numerical features for a dataset. Each neuron in this layer represents a single piece of information, like the brightness of a pixel or the height of a person. 2. Hidden layers, the processing powerhouse. Hidden layers are the network's engine, where the magic happens. Information flows from the input layer, weighted by connections, like synapses, to neurons in the hidden layers. These neurons perform calculations, applying an activation function to transform the weighted sum into an output. Multiple hidden layers can exist, creating a complex web of calculations that extract increasingly intricate features from the data. 3. Output layer, the final revelation. The output layer delivers the network's final verdict. Here, the processed information from the hidden layers is transformed into a meaningful output, depending on the task at hand. For image recognition, it might be the predicted class, cat, dog, etc. For regression, it could be a numerical value. Layered learning, the power of togetherness. These layers work together in a beautiful dance called backpropagation. When the output doesn't match the desired result, errors are calculated and backpropagated through the network, adjusting the weights and biases of each neuron. This iterative process, like refining a sculptor's masterpiece, gradually tunes the network to perform its task with increasing accuracy. Bonus layers, convolutional layers, specialized for processing images, detecting patterns and features. Recurrent layers handle sequential data like text or time series, remembering past information. I hope this lecture has shed light on the basic structure and layers of neural networks.